All right, here's a couple of good log questions. The first, says they want you to find e to the ln of x to the 27. So e to the ln of x to the 27th. Well, we have one rule where it says if you have log base a of a to the x, your answer is just plain x. So if this base and this base are the same, your answer is just whatever that exponent is. Here, you'll have, it's a very similar thing. Ln, we know, is the same as log base e of x to the 27. So similar to here, where these are the same, your answer is just the top thing. Here, the same thing. So if this and this are the same, then your answer to this whole thing is just x to the 27th. Okay, hopefully that makes some sense. I was just trying to think of another way of expressing that. I guess you could go, you could say e to the log base e of x 27th is equal to some unknown. Let's call it y. Now this is an exponential equation, so you could change it into a logarithmic equation. So the exponent is always what it's equal to. So it's log base e of y is equal to this, log base e of x 27. So y is what we're looking for, what the answer to that is. So this is the same as that. So it has to be x to the 27th. Okay, this next question, let me write it out, a little bit tougher. This is a log law question to the max over y4 z16. Okay, first thing I do, oh, this is a 4. First thing I would do is get rid of the radical. So let's call it log base b of this whole mess, x to the 8th, b to the 2 over y4 z to the 16, all to the 1/4. So the 4 comes from here, and the 1 comes from, if I take this whole thing, the exponent outside there would be a 1. Now I'm going to apply that quarter to every exponent that's inside there. So, and it's power of a power, so it's multiply. So x, 8 times a quarter is 2. B, 2 times a quarter would be a half, over 4 times a quarter is 1, and 16 times a quarter is 4. So z to the 4th. Okay, feeling pretty good at that point, but that doesn't look what anything that they have. So let's keep going. So this is the quotient law. So I can rewrite this. There's a quotient here, and there's also two products. So I'm going to split those up. So I'll say log base b of x squared b to the 1/2 minus log base b of y z to the 4th. Okay, feeling pretty good there. But now that's a product law, that's a product law. This one you have to be careful with because it subtracts all of this. So I could put that in brackets. Okay, let's split this one up. Log base b of x squared plus log base b of b to the 1/2. Oh, samesies. We'll be able to do something with that later. Minus log base b of y plus log base b of z to the 4th. Dirty, rotten, filthy, stinking negative, those guys right there. You got to be careful with them. Okay, and then this first one I can use the power law to bring the 2 out. Log base b of x plus, now same, so the answer to this whole thing is just 1/2. Similar to what we did on the previous question. Okay, and this will be minus log base b of y minus, and now I can use the power rule again, bring that y out front, or the 4 out front, 4 log base b of z. Okay, now I think I'm done. Let's look to see if they have one like that. 2 log base b of x, oh, they all have that, plus 1/2, so it's not plus 2, plus a half. That was looking good. Oh, they're all, oh, this is times half. Can't be that one. Okay, minus log b is b of y. Yeah, yeah. And then minus 4, so it has to be this one. Looks like you had picked this one, but a dirty, rotten, filthy, stinking negative. Good. Hopefully that helps you.